How to build a backyard fire pit. What's the secret to a cozier backyard? A fire pit. And bonus, you can build it yourself. Before you start, do some recon. Check your city's building codes for any regulations. Scout out a spot away from anything flammable, such as trees. And call 811 to ensure nothing, such as utility lines, is buried underneath your chosen spot. Next, choose a size for your fire pit. Experts recommend about 36 inches to 44 inches in diameter, but check your city's code. Draw a circle of your chosen size in the ground using twine or string and spray paint. Here are the tools and supplies you'll need. Now it's time to dig. Shovel out the ground within your circle until the hole is about 1 foot deep. You want it below ground level for safety and stability. Pour about 6 inches of gravel into the bottom of the hole. Flatten it out using your tamper. Place the first layer of bricks along the inside edge of the hole, checking for evenness using your level. Use your rubber mallet to press down any bricks if needed. Continue stacking bricks until the wall of your fire pit is about 1 foot taller than ground level. For extra stability, you can use fire-resistant mortar between the bricks. Wait 2 days for the mortar to dry before lighting your first fire. All that's left is to gather some firewood and comfortable chairs for a relaxing evening around your new fire pit. Remember, always have a dowser, such as a fire extinguisher, nearby for safety.